What's the meaning of capital intensive? Capital intensive. Capital intensive.
Capital intensive. Capital intensive. Capital intensive refers to a business or industry that requires significant investment in equipment, machinery, and other fixed assets to generate revenue. This type of business typically has high overhead costs and requires a large amount of capital to operate effectively. While capital-intensive industries can sometimes yield higher profits than others, they also carry greater risks. Additionally, they often require significant ongoing investment to maintain and upgrade equipment. Overall, being capital-intensive means that a business has a strong focus on the efficient use of its assets to maximize returns and minimize costs.